What's up, guys? Let me know when you can see me in the chat. How are you guys doing? Can you see me yet? What's up, Nap? Can everybody see me all right and hear me? Everything's good? All right, good. I had a little technical difficulty. That's why it was a little late. My stream key wasn't working for some reason, but got it going now. Let's get to the 15 targets. Seem like they're hitting pretty damn good, man. Pretty sweet. I just got home from work a little bit ago, so I didn't get to look at the charts yet. I think the Iranians attacking us just now may bring the price up. Needs a brand new pair of shoes. What's up, Cindy, Crypto Ted, Robot, Romaine, Chris, Smizzlebeats, some Dre bloke? Is that what that is? Mohammed, Nguts, Chris. What's up, guys? So it looks like we might pump a little bit harder. We might get up to this. Where are we at here? We could possibly get up to this $84.54 to $85 range. Let's see, what is this? This is the 0.5 fib is right at 84.30. So we may get right in that range somewhere. Pretty sweet, man. Did everybody get in this trade? Unfortunately, I didn't get into it. I was working today. I was talking to Scotty. I don't know if he's in here or not. What's up, Little Miss Begster? Yeah, make sure you smash the likes, guys. I really appreciate it. It helps get the video out there. I did not post it anywhere. So, yeah, it would help if you guys hit the likes. What's the quickest way to buy Litecoin without Coinbase? I don't know, man. I've been all in since April. I've been playing with the Litecoin waves all day. So much money to made today. Nice. What's up, Dirksy? Paul Bear, what's happened, man? Shit's going down in Iran, Iraq. Yeah, I don't even have a clue what's going on, guys. I've been working all day, so. Yeah, I just got in a little bit ago, so it sucks. I watched that all day, and I was driving all day. I had to drive out to Cleveland, and I had a meeting for a couple hours, and then had to drive a couple hours back, so it sucked. It just launched missiles? What the fuck? Maybe I need to watch the news. What's up, Crypto Chronic? Been loading BTC and buying more. What's it at? Oh, nice. It's broke out of its trend there too. Looks like we're most likely headed to that $52 to $53 range, somewhere in there. I'd say at least the 51.50 to 52. I'm pretty sure we'll break this 49.42 here. Callan from Ohio. Nice. Fellow Ohioan. Hi, I'm here to tell you, Marcus still wrecked. Marcus never paid me. He owes me $500, man. Tell him to pay me. Damn, that's crazy. We will RIP them a new ass. So, who launched? Iran shot 6 missiles at the U.S. base in Iraq. Wow. Wow. That's crazy, man. 12 ballistic missiles fired against. You're saying 12. One person's saying 6. I wonder, what the hell? What's up, Crypto Berry? How are you guys, man? Seeing a lot of people I haven't seen in a while. How's the snow today? No snow, man. Edit name. He tried to start a bet with me too. I didn't budge. I knew it'd waste the time and would have won. Yeah, he was a shit talker, man. He owes me. I'll probably never see it, but shows you what kind of dude he is, obviously. What's going on, Spearsh? So let's see. Let's go into the smaller time frames real quick. You guys see I had this 8,500 target up here in the daily. Looks like we could possibly get up there. Anyone that watched my videos this morning, all of our targets hit, and every time we hit a target, we stayed there for a minute, and I will probably stay here for a minute. Wish I'd bought more at 6,900, but there was one more leg down. What the hell? I thought there was another leg down. Everybody was so sure about it. All the EW Elliott waivers. But remember, too, I had said I think we're going to come up and test this. What the hell is this one here? Remember in the video, if you guys watched, and I'm going to change my RSIs, guys, to yellow. People have been saying they can't see it. So let's do that now. Actually, I'll make it green. Is that easier for you guys to see? But I'm going to change the trend line colors too then. I'll have to do it as we go. It's not going to change them all as I have them on different charts, but let me do this. See if it's a little bit easier for you guys to see maybe. Let's see. Let's do orange. It's going to screw with me changing it for a while. I really didn't want to, but I noticed today someone else had theirs blue, and I couldn't see it on my cell phone, so I'm going to switch it up for you guys. Yellow is BTC. But anyways, I still think we're going to come up here and test the top of this trend here, this red one, right about there. That'll probably be the top. We'll see what happens, but that is what it's looking like to me. Most likely get up to test this one more time. And like I said, that'll probably get us up. Well, it might get us up more than that, man. We might actually get up to that $8,900 target. It's definitely a possibility. That would break us out of the wedge. That's pretty damn bullish if we did. Dirksy. Right on. Savy, doesn't the 8.5 break the massive bull flag? Yes, it does. If we look over here, yeah, 8,500 would be breaking through that. Actually, if we went up on the daily today, it would actually be about 8,550. Robot said he couldn't see the blue either. Yeah, I'll switch them all over, guys, as we go through them. Might be easier for you guys to see. And then, yeah, I didn't realize it was that hard to see. I mean, people told me, but I'm colorblind, so I just had it what was easiest to see for me. But, yeah, I'll try to make it easier for you guys. I'm just going to start switching all these as I go through them, so. But, yeah. As you can see here, this, we've broken through this trend line here on the daily. We broke through our red one, obviously. And I thought we were going to get resistance here, but we're blowing right through that too, guys. This move could keep going. Paul Bear for the colorblind. Thanks, man. I appreciate the tip, brother. Much appreciated. Anyone that's new here and hasn't, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I do daily updates every single morning. And if you would have watched this morning's, in the end of the video, here, I'll see if I can play it for you guys real quick. This was all you really needed to listen to was the last couple minutes of the video. I'll put it on there real quick so you can see. Which one was it? This one here. Let's play it.
What's up, everyone? CryptoSavy here. I hope everyone's
having a second.
We're gonna take a look.
Right here is all you had to hear.
Down past that 40.
Right about
for the daily. Look at the EMAs on the daily. And if we look at those, just like Bitcoin, they're all turning up nice and bullish. And yeah, it's looking bullish, guys. There's no other way to really look at it. We may see some small corrections here and there, but as of now, it's looking pretty freaking bullish. Let's go into the 1 hour. I don't remember if I looked at anything 1 hour. Yeah, same thing in a 1 hour. I mean, everything's bullish, guys. It looks pretty damn good. There's nothing else to say. Thanks for watching. Definitely don't forget to click.
Pretty damn bullish. Nothing else to say. That was my last words on that. Leave it green for money. Yeah, make sure you hit the likes, guys. I appreciate it. Let me get out of here now. I will get this off of here. Get this off of here. Oh, what's the target? I just went through that. Look at silver. Silver's cranking up towards our target too. I have a target up here at 1970 for silver. And then I have this neckline here at 20. What'd gold do today? Ooh, gold's cranking. Blew through our target, this target that we hit the other day, and my next target's 1741 for gold. Damn, everything's cranking. Bitcoin is cranking. It's a beautiful day, guys. Yeah, the target for Bitcoin, I think, it looks like we might be headed up towards this, maybe 8,800, somewhere in there, maybe the 89. Who knows? This thing's cranking, man. Hopefully this time no CME gap fill. Tired of people being obsessed with the gap filling, right? I said one of these times it probably won't. But don't, you know, even if we do go up to here, let's look at this real quick. Let's say we go all the way up and test that trend line right there. We're most likely have a retracement. If we do have a retracement, we could come all the way back down and test this trend line still, guys. But and all that would do, let me see if these line up. Yeah, for all those that say TA doesn't work or my TA sucks, right there it is. We've been hitting all the damn targets perfectly. But yeah, we could, 74.33 looks like a possibility, but all this right in here is going to turn into support. So it's going to be interesting. And like I said, I do daily updates. So make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And make sure you tick the notification bell. I will be doing an update in the morning. 45 likes. How many people are in here? Probably not that many. I didn't send a tweet out or anything. If anybody can, go ahead and tweet this out or put it up in the Discord. We'll hang out for a little bit. Let's see. 158 people and 66 likes. Come on, guys. You can do better than that. Take 1 second out. Hit the like button. Let's see. I wasn't sure there was more down, but I was dollar cost averaging to stay in the safe side. Yeah, this wrecked a lot of people, man. I don't like to see anybody get wrecked. Honestly, it sucks, but I mean, it is what it is. Sometimes bears get wrecked, sometimes bulls get wrecked, and this happened to be the bears' massive wreck. It's all safe haven during these times. Yeah, for sure, man. Dirksy said, I'm going to stick this wrench to those that don't like it. Buy dollar cost average and HODL BTC and LTC. Stephen Hubbs, what's up, brother? No FOMO for me this time. Oh, shit. Anyways, we'll see what happens, man. Most likely, we're going to get up to at least this 85 for sure. We're pumping again right now. Ian Russell, I don't know what he's talking about. So, liked should be love. Thanks, Scott. Mr. Pong, I did the like thing. Come join me, guys. Thanks, guys, for hitting the like button. I do appreciate that. But yeah, let's see, man. I don't know. It looks like probably that 85 maybe is where we might be headed here before we do a correction. Hell of a day, man. I hope y'all did well. Harry Cummings, thanks to you, Savy. Kept buying all year and all last bear market, so I'm prepped as we all should be in case the things pop off with Iran. Right on. Peter Schiff will be buzzing. I think Peter Schiff, I was talking about that today. I posted it. I was talking to somebody in the Discord. I put it in there and I said, Peter Schiff, he pumps gold so he can sell into the buys, and he FUDs Bitcoin so he can buy into the sells. Maximum of 9K, then dump to 5K. All right, pretty interesting. Interesting analysis you got there. Yeah, pray for the soldiers protecting our freedom, man. That sucks. I might have to check that out when I get off here. Like I said, I was driving all day for work, and I was in a meeting for a few hours out in Cleveland, so trading view chart, I can't open them charts in here, buddy. US won't hit recession for a while. I can't open the charts off this page, buddy. Grapefruit, the squeeze, yeah, that's for anyone that's reading that, the grapefruit savvy. I was putting a hand up, squeezing a grapefruit, saying there was going to be short squeezes all the way from back here, and that's pretty much what has been happening. Yeah, I'll check it out for sure, man. Zyman, are you in the Discord? If you're not, join the Discord, the free version. A lot of people in there like to share charts and speculate on where we might be headed. Let's go back over to the daily. Yeah, see, the daily looks like it's going to head towards that 85, about the 8,500. If you look at it all on the daily. Beyond trading, war just started. Yes, it has. That's what they're saying. When Bitcoin pumps, XRP dumps. Unishin or Uniscion, I talk about that all the time. You know, most other coins, that's what they're for. The creators made them. People buy into them. They buy into the pumps. The creators sell the pumps to buy more Bitcoin. That's what 90% of those coins are. And I'm not saying don't trade them. If you get in on a good trade, great. But to actually think those are going anywhere, I don't. But that's my opinion. You can do your own due diligence and make your own up. Little Miss Begster, I half expected to pump up to 10K any day, maybe any minute. Yep, still pumping. 83.40. I actually put my trade screen over on this other side so I can switch my trades up without having to move stuff around on you guys. Yeah, we're definitely still getting a nice little pump here. Beautiful day. Beautiful day in crypto land. XRP charts look like a dead slug trail. It's a pump and dump, man. It's a giant penny stock. How's Litecoin look? We just looked at it a second ago. Let's jump back in there. 4 hour. Litecoin looks good. It broke out of this rising channel here, and the measured move out of that is right about the 53.43. That's the measured move out of that channel. I had another lower measured move, just measuring where it broke out down here, but yeah, between the 52 and 53 up there. That's my I mean, the EMAs, guys, are still bullish as hell. Just like this morning, you know, the 55 EMA is going to cross the 200 with probably by tomorrow if we can stay up in this range. And if that crosses, that's super bullish. That'd also be breaking this in the RSI. Let me change the color of this RSI for you too, guys. What color did I make the other ones? Green. All right, RSI is green. Yeah, that should be easier for you guys to see, I hope. These live events are so much fun during a rally. Pismo, what's up, man? Your wife happy you didn't sell? Didn't you say your wife was trying to get you to sell your Bitcoin the other day or something? Big move will get Bitcoin back into the media. So this is in everyone's interest to get this as high as we can in a short time. Makes sense. What do you think about the Bitcoin halving? I don't know. I really don't pay attention to that. I mean, everybody puts so much on that. I try not to think about the halving and just try to stick to the charts. Crazy Greek Freak, what's up, brother? Yeah, I thought it was you, Pismo. Just checking in, been busy, but still watch when I can. Right on, what's up, Ricky? How the hell you been? Let's go into the hourly and see what that looks like. Hourly still looks pretty damn good. Try to clean this chart up just a little bit. Could probably get rid of all these smaller measurements. That out of there. Actually looking pretty damn good, guys. Let's go into the 15-minute. Let's see if we see anything. Did I mention I love leaving the 7Ks, right, Paul? You've been saying that for quite a while in the group, man. Just get the hell out of the 7s. It actually looks like another little bull flag forming here, man. Possibly. Let's see. That's probably about right. Let me do a measured move here, guys. This is probably going to show us about where we're headed. About the 85. Yeah, we're headed up to the 85, maybe a little above. This is saying 85.17. So yeah. Actually, we can watch that in the daily. It does look like we're headed up there, guys. It really does. Dirksy, I'm Paul. You love Bitcoin Ben? Who loves Bitcoin Ben? Thanks for all the teaching, Savvy. Really appreciate it. Hope all you do for others returns to you 100x. Thanks, JPY. I appreciate that, man. 85 is super bullish. 85 is the 0.5 fib. Yeah, it is. It's right on the 0.5 fib. So if that breaks, watch the hell out, man. I mean, there's a little bit of room on the RSI. That could happen, I suppose. We could break up, come back down, and, consolidate in here for a little bit in between the 8,000 and 8,500 and continue up. Bet it's gutting not being able to get a trade on today. Yeah, it sucked. I did get one. I got in when I got home. Right now, I'll tell you where I'm at. I actually went pretty high leverage. I'm up 78% right now. When everybody wakes up at 7 in the morning in Iran, they're all going to buy Bitcoin. They just launched missiles on a base in Iraq. It's currently 1 in the morning over there. Get ready. Yeah, man, in a way, I mean, that sucks. It sucks, for the guys, our troops over there. All right, I'm going to go through these and change all these right now so I don't have to screw around before a video in the morning to change the colors of these RSIs for us, guys. That's going to screw with me for a little while, but that's all right. I can deal with it. So they're all going to be yellow now. Over here, or green, I'm sorry. Green. So, damn, gold is really kicking ass here. It's going to have to consolidate a little bit before going up to that 1740 target, but I think that's where it's headed, I'm sure. I was told by an idiot to stay out of gold and silver like he owns it or something. Some people are idiots. But anyway, yeah. Silver's looking badass too. Litecoin's starting to pump again a little bit. If Litecoin breaks this trend line right here on the RSI, guys, that's going to be pretty nice move. That'll probably get us up to that 49. Actually higher than that. Man, it's all still looking bullish as shit, man. Tim J, what's up, Savvy and people? Love this run too. Long since 73.33. Nice. Hell yeah, brother. Show me the charts, I'll tell you the news. Green is good. You talk about the RSI, Jacob? Yeah, I hope it is. Like I said, I watched a video today and I was on my cell phone driving. Like I said, I was driving all day for work. Yeah, it does look like we're headed to that 75, guys. We'll watch it here in the 5 minute, just for the hell of it. I'll put a measured move up there, and it should be breaking out pretty quick here. Obviously, I'm not a fortune teller, so I can't guarantee it, but according to what I'm seeing, this is where we're headed right now. And I'm going to put a target there, right around the 85.14 range. Yes, and other stuff. How many touches have we made in that teacup monthly RSI you used to put in the videos, Savvy? I don't remember which chart that was in. I don't remember if, I think it's this chart right here. Let me look at it. That was in, this is the weekly RSI. Would have been in the monthly. We're right off of it, man. We had the 4 going down. We had the bottom here, bottom here. See how this bottom didn't quite touch? Neither did this one. Not bad, not bad. Looks pretty good. Crypto Sweden, I think it is going to there. Yeah, like I said, that's why I like RSI, guys. RSI is the only true indicator, if you ask me. I don't care what anybody says. RSI, we're still pumping 83. Let's go back over this one. We're breaking out of that flag, I think. Let me get this out of the way. Yep, we're trying to break out of the flag now. We might get a nice little run up here. Monthly with the boobs. Stephen Hubbs, perfect kiss off the cup. Yep. All right, guys, looks like she's ready to pop up here. We got some hidden bullish divergence there. Right, do we? Yep, right here. I'll show you guys real quick while we're on here. Let me thicken this up. Lower lows right here. And if I go off the same spots in here, higher lows. That's hidden bullish divergence. So it looks like we should have a pump up here. Here we go. Also beyond 8,500, look-see, 9,000 in the horizon. Yeah, I had this, where is it at? I do have a target of 89, a little over 8,900, but here we go. Here's the little pump I was just talking about. We should get up to that 85. Sure looks like it. If we look at this RSI here, it actually looks like a, let me zoom in here to the RSI, but let me get this off here. And obviously this isn't true till confirmed, but it almost looks like an inverse head and shoulders right here forming. We'll see what happens. We'll get back into the price action here. What the hell is going on? There we go. Nice little pump. Get this off of here. How many people are in here? If you're in here, make sure you hit the like button, please, guys. I really appreciate it. Iran dropping missiles on U.S. bases. Shit is hitting the fan. Anthony asking if we broke the trend. No, not yet, man. If we look over in the daily, the trend's right up here. That trend line. We're headed up there. We're trying. I am going to move my stops over here. Hold on a second, guys. Damn it. I'm going in the wrong freaking window. Yeah, I'm up right now 125%. putting my stops, or if I get stopped out here, I'll be up 80%. Hell of a move. It's pumping hard, guys. Look at her go. Let's go back into that 5 minute where I put it on there and watch her go up there. Might have a little bit of resistance here at the 84.31, a little more at the 84.54, and then we should hit our target right up here. My line's closer. This is subwave 3 of the first 5 waves of 64.30 low. It's acting just like a subwave. $340%. Right on, G-Mega. Make sure you put your stops in case we get a quick drop after we hit these targets up here. I'm going to go back into the hourly. That point 84.33 is where I'm showing. Let me go. That's where I'm showing the 0.5 fib on here. That isn't right. I think I got it wrong on this one because it should be at the 85. Let me check these fibs real quick. This is a different chart. Yeah, I got it a little screwed up here. All right, move that. Let me go check the bottom. Oh yeah, what the hell do I got going on here? Where's my I lost myself here. What the fuck's going on? Oh, here we go. Oh, no, I didn't. I got it on there. Up a little bit. I don't even remember where that low was. It was right around 31.30. This one, 31.30. Close enough. All right, let me zoom back in. Where are we at now? She's cranking. 84.20. Let's see if that little trend line right there stops us. It may. That's at 84.47. Going too smooth. Unstoppable pumping. This might be a beautiful, beautiful thing, guys. This is pretty awesome. Let me move my stops again. That might have topped out there. We hit that trend line perfectly, guys. See how we hit it right on the dot here, right at 84.47. That was right on the dot. Let's see if it can blow through that. See what happens. Sorry, I'm watching my trade too at the same time, guys. So, yeah. Nope, she's still not going to give up. Still buys coming in. Well, they're battling. They're battling. Ooh, a lot of sells just lined up. Let's see what happens. Not too shabby. Bulls and Bears are really going at it here, guys. How's Litecoin doing? Litecoin's still chilling right there at the same. Actually, Litecoin hit one of my old support and resistance lines here. Oh, she's trying again. Buys are piling in, guys. Looks like they're going to try to break this line here. If we break that, we could be headed up towards that 8,900 target, man. Wow. All right, let me get back in the chat here for a second. Just trying to keep an eye on this. All right, I'll go to the chat here, back in the chat for a minute. 8447 is the 1.272 fib extension on the 6430 to the 76 to 68 move. How far you leave your trail set back? 100? No, I'm manually trailing it, just using support and resistance lines. She's doing good, Lady Plantslot. Thanks for asking. Probably the lowest prices we'll ever see again. I'll do that. She might be watching. And I just heard her. She just got home here a little bit ago from work, so I heard her come in. What's up, Shazam? You retracted your message? Interesting. I just made so much money, I gotta go. Take it easy, Ricky. Let me look at where I gotta check my trade again, guys. Hold on 1 second. Damn it. Keep opening the wrong window. Oh, damn, it's doing good. I'm up 220%. I got my stops. I'll be stopped at 150% if I get stopped out. Beautiful thing. We're playing right at that line there. Right at it. Man, if it can break that, it's going to be something to see for sure. Amazing, amazing day. All right, let me get back into the chat here for a minute. Sorry, guys, I keep going back and forth. I'm just trying to keep track of this. Omar, what's my stop at? Like I said, I'm just moving it manually. Right now, I have my stop at 80. Hold on a second. Stop loss is 83.80. Where I have my stop right now. That's where it's been at for the last couple minutes. Damn, it's pumping. It's been a while. Welcome back, Bitcoin. Yeah, see how we broke out of this trend line here in the RSI? If you guys can see that. That's pretty sweet. Let's look at the 4-hour RSI. I haven't looked at that. See where it's at. See, it hasn't come up and tested that trend line yet. I really see it coming up to test this red trend line. So we probably got further to go, guys. Lady Plants, I got to buy some damn wine. This Bitcoin in Iran got my nerves bad. Ryan Lay, sorry, sold my Bitcoin at 82.50, all 7 Bitcoin. Why are you sorry, man? Hopefully you get a correction back down to the 8,000 or so. I guess it depends on what's going on here. We're trying to test that line again right now, guys. I'm going to zoom in so you can see it. But like I said, I think this RSI is going to come up and test here. And that's probably going to be around the 8,500, 8,550. Again, there we did it. We broke through it. Man, this thing is killing it. What's up, Bitcoin broke? Killing it. Oh, back down, a little rejection. Let me go back over. Sorry, hold on 1 second. I gotta check my trade, guys. Still all right. Jesus. A lot of action. I love the volatility here. Come on, Bulls. Push through, Archie Archer. Best day since last June, right? It is a beautiful day, for sure. And these RSIs are just looking pissed, man. Let's see where we're at here. Yeah, that 13 EMA is about to cross the 55 EMA tomorrow. If we stay up in here, that'll most likely cross. And next in line is the 21 to cross the 55, and that's in the daily. That's a pretty big deal. Here we go, popping back up again, breaking that line. They're weakening that trend line. Iran is attacked. Take it, you 100x'd. Yeah, I'm over 100x, buddy. I am at Tell you exactly where it's at now. But this isn't... Right now, I am at 204%. But if I get stopped out, I get stopped out at 150. So I'm just probably going to let that ride there because I think we have a good chance of continuing up. And I'll pull it back up after we go up a little bit more. Beautiful, beautiful. Archie Arch said there's no way this is a fake out. Steve said Bitcoin over 48, or Litecoin. Litecoin's pumping. And I had this is going to be our resistance here at 49.42. But like I said, the measured move out of this breakout here is all the way up to the 53.43 actually. Yeah, right around the 53.43 is the target for Litecoin right here. Man, it's awesome. A damn good day. Don't forget to smash likes, guys. Much appreciated. Agent Bambi, Savvy, nice call today, dude. Thanks, man. Much appreciated. Dan T said this is almost surreal. Take care, Steven. Thanks for stopping in, brother. I hope you have a good night, man. Gold's pumping as well. Yeah, that's what gold's at 16. We hit our target the other day. My next target's 1741 for gold. And that's not to say we get right up there. Obviously, we'll have, you know, that's just my target probably within the next couple months, maybe month. Silver's doing a little pumping itself. How does the Dow look? Dow is stagnant. Oh, we almost got that. Look. Woo, she's pumping. Been with Savvy for a while. His calls are most accurate out there, period. Go back to his earlier day videos. Thanks, man. I appreciate that, brother. Panic due to recent attack. No, Ryan, I've had these before the attack. All these targets have been here. Scott Chandler. Savvy, you can't go to sleep on me. Yeah, I'm probably not going to be on too much longer, guys, but I will hang out for a little bit, just see what happens. Like I said, if you're doing your own charts, looks like we just had a subscriber. Let me see if I can catch it. And nope, I didn't catch it. Anyway, welcome, whoever just subscribed. It should have popped up on the screen, I think. If you guys seen it, welcome them. 240 viewers and what do we got for likes? 146 likes. Please hit the likes, guys. Take a second out. That's all it takes. And we're getting ready to pump again. A shitload of buys just came in, guys. Damn. This is freaking amazing. I love Bitcoin. Have I ever mentioned that? So my stops are now at 180%. At 84.13 is where I have my stops right now. And I may get stopped out, but I'll be all right with that. And if I do, I'll look for another entry. Merlin, welcome. Merlin just subscribed. Merlin195020. Welcome to the channel. Make sure you hit that, tick that notification bell too. Mohammed Tomak just subscribed. Welcome to the channel. Everybody's joining today. Nice time to get on a live stream, I guess, right? I appreciate all you guys stopping by too and watching this live. This is fun. Nice little pump we're getting today for sure. Savvy, do you ever use full body candles when drawing trend lines? No, I do not. Just wicks. That's all I use. For example, this 6-month downtrend using the wicks, we hit the top. If using the bodies, we broke through. Yeah, I only use the wicks, man. It's the most accurate. That's how my calls have been accurate, like all through last year, and just the wicks. Thanks, Celis. John Yo, do you hold any BTC, Savvy? Yeah, I hold Bitcoin and Litecoin. I trade Bitcoin also, but I have a HODL position for both that I will not touch. All right, so I did get stopped out here. I'll look for another entry, see how this reacts for a while. But yeah, I'm stopped out in extremely nice profit. So I'm good with that. 180%. Beautiful day. All right, let me I'm gonna go into the 15-minute because I'm kind of or actually the 5-minute and kind of look for a possible entry. And I think I might damn. See what happens. I might be entering right back in here in a minute. We'll see what happens. Holder position for Bitcoin and Litecoin. Nice, love it. Yeah, obviously, a lot of you guys haven't been around that long, but most people in here know what I do and how I, have a hodl position in Litecoin and Bitcoin, and I do trade Bitcoin. No, you don't drink Savy. I'll have one for you, though. Right on, agent. It's pretty cool when you get to know people in here like that, man. That's what I love about this is the community. Here comes the pullback. Get ready for the waves. Right? Night, Paul Bear. Thanks for tuning in, brother. All right, so we just got in the 5-minute a bearish engulfing candle, but it's not really a big deal. Obviously, it's a 5-minute. But we are getting, let's see, we're still getting hidden bullish divergence there, guys. And I'll show you what that is. We're in the 5-minute, so it's not like it's that significant, but let's see if this closes higher. See how we're getting higher lows up there and lower lows down here. It's got 17 seconds to close, so but it does look like hidden bullish divergence. So I'm probably going to look to re-enter a small position. What's up, Masked Ninja? Yeah, self-fulfilling journey, no problem, man. Oh, you don't drink? Wow, I was about to send you a bottle of 7 Years Cuban rum. I'll have it on your name, brother. Thanks, man. Yeah, I don't drink. I haven't drank for, it's been about 8 years. Agent Bambi, love you, man. Always consistent, honest, accurate. Thanks, man. TC, sup, Sab. I'm here from Crypto Church. What's up, TC? Yeah, I'm going to re-enter a small position here, guys. Hold on a minute. Damn it. Having a hell of a time opening the right freaking window here. So, yeah, I just entered another small position. I'm going to get a stop in here. Let's see. All right. Heading back to the chat, guys. All right, I'm back. Sorry about that, guys. I don't mean to keep cutting you out, but George Lovelace, I'll be joining your group soon, Savvy. Can't wait. Awesome. Don't forget, too, we got the free Discord group, George. Join that. If you're, the membership thing is just for people wanting to seriously get into trading. So if you're not into trading, there's no reason really to join. So just join the free Discord. Unless you just want to be in the live streams, because I'm not going to be doing as many live streams, except it's going to be for the members. And I might release them after they're done, but yeah, that's how probably going to be doing it. And I'm going to wait till we get a big enough group in the members group to kind of let the community of members decide what we want and how we want to do things, if we want to have certain times for stuff, things like that. So Ricky T said, send me that bottle, I'll drink it. You're good, get it? I am 87 times long since 69. I'm quitting my job tomorrow, guys. Nice job, Nino. Sweet, man. Maybe that gap won't fill. If it does, probably be a quick wick. Yeah, probably. Like I've been saying, though, all along, there's probably going to be one that doesn't fill, and they're going to use that to their advantage, and everybody that was waiting for it's going to FOMO in, And that could be what's happening right now, guys. You know, that's what I was telling people in the Discord the other day. I don't remember if it was yesterday or the day before, but I just kept saying, you know, the market doesn't give people a chance to buy the bottom twice. And everybody keeps saying that wasn't the bottom, and it, there's still a possibility it's not, but I've been saying it's the bottom for a couple weeks now, talking about, and I explained how I said I think it was a stop loss, the last dip, or a stop hunt, and it all matched up perfectly. So we'll see, but that's what I'm thinking. Where to leverage in the USA? Want to get it all? Join the Discord. People will help you out in there. Yeah, you can leverage in the US. Legally, you can do it on Kraken, but it's only 5 times leverage. I think you can do 50 times in futures, but you have to set up a professional account to do the futures. Do you need KYC for Bebop? I've never heard of Bebop. Bybit, a lot of people use Bybit. I got a Bybit and a Prime XBT link down below. But yeah, I join the Discord. Stepped out for vittles. What I missed? Wow, Litecoin has some jolt happening. Yeah, Litecoin did a nice little push. It's probably headed towards that. You know, it might even go. Like I said, that the measured move off of this move we just did is that 53.43 is the measured move, but I had this one from earlier, 52.58. So yeah, I'm looking between 52.50 and 53.40 is where I'm looking for that to go. Could possibly go higher. You know, we got a lot of room in the RSI. We'll see what happens. But regardless, it's all looking pretty good. Prime XBT giving a 35% on deposit made this month. Yeah, if you can use my link down below and get that. And I still think you can get $90 for a certain amount deposited into Bybit also. Crypto Nino, yeah, at another time, not right now. I'm just kind of focusing on what's going on here. Hold on one second. All right, guys, I just had to check that trade real quick. Thoughts on the 200-day BTC? I don't use simple moving averages. I use EMAs, and we just got on top. We opened the daily right on the 200 EMA, and we are above it now, the 200 EMA. And all my EMAs down here, I was just talking about it a few minutes ago. 13 EMA should cross the 55 EMA tomorrow if we stay up in this area. You know, we could get something like this since we made it up here. If we don't break the 8,500 today, we could get something like this, you know, and move up. We'll see what happens. I do daily updates, so if you're new here, make sure you go down, subscribe to the channel, tick the notification bell to get you notified, because I do release new videos every morning just to update on what I'm seeing in the market. If you'd watched it this morning, we had all these targets in there. So yeah. Got to get the kids to bed. Thanks again for the live stream. Always a pleasure, man. Right on, Harry. Have a good night, man. Are we still alive? Yeah, we're still alive. 85.20 is a fib point. Nice to see. Thoughts on the 200-day? All right, I went through that. Oh, wait. My chat wasn't moving for some reason. There we go. Does 35% have a limit? No, it doesn't, Renee. It does not have a limit. But you got to know, when they give you that 35%, you can't just withdraw it. It just can be used towards trading, and you can, you know, keep the profits off of it. But you can't, you know, you can't put $1,000 in, get $350 and just withdraw it. You can't withdraw that money, but you can add it to your trades and keep the gains off of it. The same with Bybit. Lizard66, people who dislike the video were hoping for $1,000 bottom. Yeah, you always have the haters, man. It's all good. Broke the 21 EMA on the weekly. Did we? Yes, we did. We broke everything on the weekly. Yep. Busted through the 21. The 8 EMAs trying to turn back up above the... And if you guys been watching, that's what I've been saying. I said we needed a push up this week. If you go back to my, I think it was, Monday, my Monday's morning video, you go back and I said we needed a push up this week to keep this 13 from crossing, and we did just that. Just remember, when trading a bull run, not to short, it'll hurt. Right. People who dislike this video are James and the other troll dude. Don't forget to smash likes, guys. Also, I want to remind you guys on the videos in the morning, don't forget to leave your comments. Not only does it help the channel out, it gets you entered to win a free t-shirt off my wife's webpage. And if you look down below, I have links to it. inkyourimage.com, which makes t-shirts. There's other stuff that's not listed in there, like long sleeve shirts, hoodies like this one here, keychains. There's a bunch of stuff in there. Glass portrait type deals for your wall, aluminum signs. But she can put anything on there, family pictures or whatever. So definitely check that out if you get a chance. Junaz Euro. People, you are so funny. Listen to this is a 5/5 fake pump. Go back in history and look for yourself. Always fake pumps after a parabola. Okay, buddy. These bears really get intense, man, when we get pumps. Really intense. Yep, and that's why. If it comes back to 6K, I'm going balls deep. Well, everybody was waiting for that lower low, just like they were back here. And I had mentioned that, the last few weeks, last month probably. But everybody, it was feeling just like over here. Everybody's waiting for that lower low. One more leg down, one more leg down. And what'd they do? They ended up FOMOing in here after we broke 6,000, pushing us up. So it'll probably be about the same thing. We'll break 11,000, then they'll realize that it's not going to come, and they'll have to buy way up here, pushing us up. Just my opinion, not a fact, obviously. Where we at here? Let me go back in the chat. If it goes back down to 6K, I'd feel like Christmas again. Not going to happen, in my opinion. I don't think so either, but it is Bitcoin. It can do whatever. Luckily, I bought a lot at 6.4 and 7.2, but I would love more. What kind of pullback are you expecting? It all depends if we actually break up and out of this line first. But I do still expect more up here. I still really think... Let me go in here to the RSI real quick. I'm going to do a measured move on the RSI. These aren't always accurate on the RSI, but it does help. But yeah, it went higher than the measured move would have been. But I still think we're going to come up and test this in the 4-hour RSI. Test the top of that rising channel again before going down. So I do think we have a little more up to go. And if you guys, somebody asked me earlier if I use the wicks or the bodies, and I always use the wicks. They are way more accurate. And I do believe when the wicks break through, that breaks the resistance, and eventually you probably stick around this area and then pop back up through. And I'll show you an example of that. Over here, it's Litecoin. As you can see, we zoom in a little bit. As you can see right here, I had this trend line here off the wicks. We broke through with these two wicks. It did have a little retracement and came up and broke through. Once that's broken, we'll usually, continue on through. So that's what I think is most likely going to happen in this area. When they hear about the war, it'll pump more. I don't want to miss this action. The huge head and shoulder patterns started way back in September, October. Look back in the graph and you can see where it may go. Agree with Unison. Actually, we have less market cap than summer 2019. This is just a whale pump to bring people in. All right. Remember the market cheat sheet. When everybody thinks it's a fake rally, everybody thinks they know. Nobody really knows. Keep that in mind. There's got to be bulls, there's got to be bears, or we wouldn't have a market, right? Don Johnson, Renee Smith, just use Savy's link. Sign up then. If you have those questions, hit the Prime XBT chat up for help. They respond pretty quick. They do too. And I don't do it because I don't trade traditional markets, but there's some guys in the chat that use Prime XBT because you can trade them for, I think, Forex even, and traditional stocks off of the Prime XBT too, using Bitcoin, which is pretty cool. Crypto Motion, and the pump starts now. Let me show you. Bakkt ran 3K, man, and people took profits. Why is that fake? Yeah, it's not. It's a freaking market. There is no fake. It's a market. It is a market, people. You know, the bears that expected that leg down. Now, this is a fake pump or this is manipulation. But if it would have shot straight down, the bears, the bulls, I don't ever blame anything on manipulation because a market's a market. If you buy $10 worth, you're manipulating the market. So that is a market. Savy, Curvy just uploaded a new vid saying 14K. Every other day, dude, he's either showing a super bearish or a super bullish video all the time. He tries to put fear into people to sell his fear tactics, to join the VIP for ridiculous amounts, like $1,000 a month or more. I've heard all kinds of crazy different stuff. Sean McGovern, 1.20 here in the UK, in the dentist at 9 o'clock, but can't leave the charts. It's your fault, Savvy. Elliott Wave, dude, you are. Good play the way you want. It is what it is. Everyone has their own option, make their own choices. Exactly. Has everybody hit the likes? I hope everyone's hit the likes in here. I'm gonna grade you real quick. What do we got? We've got 250 people and 191 likes. Almost everybody. If you haven't hit the likes, please do. I would appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, definitely subscribe. I do daily updates every single morning on what I'm seeing in the market. And if you watched this morning's video, these were what I was calling for. And it does look like this pump is going to continue at least to the 8,500. We may hit, it's possible, guys, that we hit the 8,900. And reason being, I still believe this is going to come up and test this trend line on the RSI here. Yeah, I still see that, guys. I am going to clean that up, though, so you guys can see it. But yeah, that's still what I'm seeing. I let me go in here real quick, though, just to check this out. It is hitting this trend line if I put one across here. Let's see. So it's possible we could retrace a little bit down here and come back up. We'll see what happens. But if you guys are trading, I don't know. I know if there's new traders joining our group, the member only group, we're going to ask that you just paper trade in the beginning until you can make continuous trades, because we're not going to sit there and just make calls for you. We're going to teach you how we're finding calls, or how we're finding entries and exits, and what trading style you're trying to do, depending on what time you want to put in. But guys, it's still a lot of work. So just to let you know, if you're not willing to put in the time and the work, then it's probably not for you. But I mean, you could always try it for a month and see. So, you know, no harm, no foul. Maricris, Savvy, much respect, man. I know you made 45K. It was 46K prediction, and admitted I was wrong. Yeah, I mean, it is what it is. Everybody, famous, you know, analysis made crazy. You know, that is what I was seeing, because I was charting it with the gold chart, and it was looking pretty damn good. And then it failed. I still think we're going to have a year from hell this year anyway. I'm sitting at my screen 16 hours a day. It's not easy, right? I mean, it all depends on how you want to trade. I mean, really, if you're in Bitcoin, I mean, with the moves Bitcoin makes, if you're patient and you don't try to trade all the time and you wait for, you know, opportunity trades and high reward, low risk, high reward trades, you can do a couple trades a year is all and live pretty well, instead of sitting in front and staring at a screen. But you have to learn the market and get some TA skills before you're able to do that. SPA target before reversal. I think we're gonna get up to, you know, we could be topped out. I was just looking at the RSI, and if I draw a trend line right here, but I still believe that we're gonna go up and test the top of this trend line here. And when we do, when the RSI hits the top of this, I think that is when it would be time to get out. We may have a small correction here, though, first. Come back down a little bit and then continue up. And it doesn't have to, guys. It doesn't have to, but if you are charting, I would draw this rising channel in here off these three, off the bottom in the 4-hour RSI, and then these two. And I think there's going to be one more touch up here. But like I said, it doesn't have to. It could turn around and come down from here. So, but reason being, I think we're going to go higher, is we have pierced this upward slanted resistance. Guess what I see on my way to work every morning, CryptoSavy? Thank you, brother. So there will be no more free live streams after a while. Nap, yeah, there'll still be some. I mean, I'll pop it in, but you know, I'm gonna do it mostly with the members, because we're gonna go into detail a lot more. But I'll still do live streams, just not as many. I'm sick of trolls and just dealing with crap I don't have to deal with. So I just do my daily updates every day, and then, you know, with the members do a private live stream, and I can release the live streams afterwards. But I'll still try to do a live stream maybe once a week for everybody. It's just, like I said, it's just time consuming, and I'm sick of trolls. What's up, Wendell? Lil Diaz, man, I really love your RSI. Can you share your setup for it? Oh, that's another thing I'm going to do with the members. I talked about it. Scotty, I don't know if you're in here, but Scotty's he was going to figure it out. But I'm going to make all my charts shareable to all the members, so you have access to my charts off of TradingView, and you can pull them up, and, you know, you can move stuff around and stuff on my charts too. So I am going to offer that also to the members. What if the trolls buy the membership? I don't know. I can still kick them out. You know, they're not going to keep buying it and keep coming back in. So, yeah, if that's what they want to do, I mean, they can keep spending money and keep trolling me, and I'll keep kicking them out. That's good with me. in your private group, are you using Bybit exclusively? No, people can use whatever exchange they want. I'm not going to make people use something they don't want to use. You know, they can use whatever exchange they want. And we're not going to, like I said, you're just going to learn how we trade in there. There's a few of us in there right now that trade. We're starting to get it together. We're not really full bore yet, but we're getting it together. And you guys got to remember, I work full time, so I can maybe spend an hour or so a day in there. But I mean, I can still update people throughout the day if I'm seeing anything. But there's other people in there that'll be sharing. Jesse Brown, if you hit the join button down below, it's the YouTube channel join. It's right next to the subscription. If you have an iPhone, you probably won't see it because the iPhones haven't updated, I guess, yet, and you'll have to do it on a computer. But there's a join button. I'll pull up a video and show you. So if I went here, open the video. So yeah, if you look here, see the join button right here. You won't have the analytics. Yours will say subscribe here, but there's a join button down there. So that's where you join. If you hit it, it'll tell you what the perks are. The $3.99 a month is just basically you'll get, you know, a little emblem on your name when you come in the chats. But the $3.99 a month is just, you know, just showing your support. You don't really get a lot of extra with that. Although I may be adding like my shared charts with that, possibly. I'm not sure yet. Like I said, I'm gonna get with the members and talk. But level 2 will get the live streams, and level 3 you'll get all of this plus the live streams and the live chat in the Discord. There is a members part of the Discord also, so that's what that'll end up being. But like I said, if you're really not into actually trading, I don't know that it's going to benefit you. You could just join the Discord, you know, and that's free, the regular Discord. Iran is firing rockets on U.S. base. Do you have a startup date? It's up right now. If when people join, they'll get a link to the membership room. Like I said, I'm getting my charts set up. There's already some guys in the room. We've started messing with it, but we're going to be spending more time on it and getting more in depth. So yeah, the benefit stuff is, you know, it's already. Just go to the join, and when you do, I'll check it every morning and see who's joined, and I'll send you get a hold of me, and I'll send you links, or actually I'll do a live stream and give you guys links to like the chat, and then whenever I do live streams for members only, that'll pop up. But yeah, that's how it's gonna work. I mean, like I said, as it grows, as a community, we'll work it out and, you know, kind of make a format of certain times to get together and kind of share views of the market. So we have certain times during the week, or, you know, something. We'll figure it out with the members. So Jesse Brown, thanks, man. I appreciate that much. Good looking out. But yeah, guys, like I said, check it out. If you have any questions, my email's down below. All you got to do is email me, and you know, I can help you out with any questions you got. And yeah, we can go from there. I appreciate it, guys. I really want to go check out the news and see what's going on with the Iran stuff, and try to keep up with that. I have to, Crypto Sweden. I appreciate each and every one of you, though, for stopping by, guys. That's awesome. Thanks a lot. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and make sure you tick the notification bell. I do daily updates every single morning and let you know what's going on in the market, what I'm seeing. So again, I appreciate each and every one of you. You guys have a great night, and I will see you in the morning as soon as I figure out how to shut this off. I do that every time. That's funny. Here we go. Take it easy, guys.